So in this video, I'll search for a random YouTube channel, and I'm going to sort of give some criticism, and more like constructive criticism. I'm going to go ahead and check out some of the what the channel is doing right and what the channel can do in terms of things that will improve the channel's viewership and in turn improve also the sales. So I'm going to search a random type beat channel, and let's see what we can find here. Type beat. All right, so I'll search this this tag right here, and I'm going to select a random channel. All right, so let me just go ahead and load this channel up. And now this is the channel that I found right here. The first thing that I see in this channel is going to be the cover art, which is in Russian here. So I'm getting a Russian vibe. So this guy's probably from Russia. Let me just check. Yes, he's from Russia. And this guy's making hyperpop type beat. He's making Live, Brackens, Eric Doa. All these artists are hyperpop artists, and he's sort of going hard on that hyperpop niche. Like I said in my previous video, hyperpop is sort of one of the niches that you should definitely start in 2022. It's one of the type B that's definitely getting a ton of views, a ton of potential in that niche. There are a ton of artists who gonna be coming up. I'm kind of guessing this type B, this niche is going to be sort of really big in 2022. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy's channel is all about. He's posting hyperpop type beat. Now as I said, the first thing I saw is going to be is the cover art. Cover art seems okay to me. I think it's sort of going on the anime vibe, and the name, which is also very important here. The names, I'm not sure what that means. But we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tell you something, that the name is very important. If you start a YouTube channel, if you start any channel on YouTube, start any type B channel, name is very important. You have to sort of make sure you don't put some random stuff over there. You know, you just have to let's say you're making hyperpop type beats, so you want to go ahead and see some of the artist names. Let's say it's Parker, okay, P4RKR, which is Parker, another hyperpop artist, and Liu, another hyperpop artist, some of the internet artists. These artists are sort of really, they have the sound that that a lot of those newer Gen Z sound is coming on. This definitely the way you should name your type beat channel. So for example, you can go for anything that's related to hyperpop sounding, anime sounding, okay. You can go for something that's related to your niche. So you're posting hyperpop type beat, you want to go ahead and sort of get a very aesthetic type name, right? Some anime type name, let's say Mr. Sakura-kun. I don't know. You know, you can just go ahead and search. And so if you're posting hyperpop type beat, anime is one of the sort of prime, I would say, factor in it. You have to use anime type names, anime type anime inspired artwork. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing anime inspired artwork, which is really good. This guy's doing great job in this. The only thing I can tell this guy is going to be, just keep your artwork to be just keep your artwork the same, okay. This guy's just posting the photo of I think it's Live. You don't want to post random stuff over here. If you're going for anime type artwork, you just want to keep anime artwork over here. Do not post random stuff. I also see a Roblox character. That's really cool. Okay, it's going to the same vibes. I think this guy should probably just switch to Roblox art. Just post Roblox art over here. He can also go for anime art. He's actually posting anime art, but I think Roblox art is going to be great. if you guys want to sort of take that from here, just post Roblox art. If you're making hyperpop type beats, definitely go for Roblox art. It's one of those art tips that I can sort of give you right now. Now, the next thing I'm gonna see here, I'm gonna play one of the beats here, and let me just pause that up real quick. So I heard this beat. This beat was great, okay, and I really like this beat. It's pretty good. It's definitely in the Glives Brecken style, and the only problem that this beat has is that there are no tags. I haven't heard a tag in 1 minute, 2 minutes. I haven't heard. I don't think there's that many tags. If there's one tag, I'm not sure there's any tag in this beat. This guy hasn't really tagged his beat properly. You really want to avoid not tagging your beat. Okay, you wanna tag your beat at least 3 to 4 times, so that you maximize the sales. If you don't tag your beats, a lot of people are not gonna buy it. Okay, even if they have money, even if they have the means to buy it, they're still not gonna buy it. And the only problem, and other problem that I see here is gonna be free for profit. The tag that this guy is sort of putting here. Now, there's not going to be that much of a problem, as he's just stating the term that you can get 10,000 plays on all platforms. It's going to be free for profit up to 10,000 plays on all platforms, which is okay, right? I think that's a good way, yeah, because free for profit beats do get a ton of searches. The only problem here is going to be he's not using that many tags. In his video, he's not using many tags. Now, what this will do is this will sort of give the way to artists to not pay for you. You're not going to find out. Any producer knows that. I mean, you're not going to find out where the artist used your beat, unless you use something like a third-party app that costs a ton of money, right? I think one of them is called Beat ID by BeatStars. It's recently launched, but you don't want to pay that much, $10 for a single beat, right? So you want to sort of avoid not putting tags. All right, you want to put at least 3 to 4 tags in. If you're selling free for profit beats, you want to put at least 3 to 4 tags, and it's gonna be. I mean, artists are not gonna buy it. Okay, they're just not gonna buy it. All right, you're just giving them all the way. Do you really think after 10K plays, an artist is gonna remember you and gonna say, okay, let me just go ahead and buy the beat right now, right? They're not gonna buy it. You're never gonna know it. So you just want to make sure you at least put 2 to 3 tags throughout your beat, so that artists have at least one thing to sort of keep in mind. So if they make a beat, if they make the fire song, if they make a good song, they can at least sort of, you know, give $15 for a simple MP3 release. Then they can sort of go ahead and you know, then they can sort of upgrade it. But I would say you want to put some tags here. If you're not putting tags, you're definitely just losing a ton of money. So that's the only thing I can say to this guy, is use tags. And you're doing everything. You're doing actually a lot of good things. You know, I would say 5 to 6 things. You're doing very well. The only problem here is going to be the tags. You have to put at least 3 to 4 tags. Even if you're posting free for profit beats, you want to put some tags. Otherwise, artists are not going to buy it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. And I might do this video once more. Like I might do another random hyperpop channel. And if you know any channels that should be covered by me, please let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys next time.